This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill numbers in Excel quickly and easily. To begin, enter a number in a cell, then click and drag the small square, called the fill handle, at the bottom right corner of the cell. Excel will automatically extend the sequence, making it simple to populate many cells with sequential data or repeated values. After using the fill handle, a small Auto Fill Options button appears. Click this button to customize your fill action. You can choose to copy the cells, fill a series, or even fill formatting only. Selecting Fill Series ensures that Excel continues the numerical pattern, rather than just duplicating the initial value. Flash Fill is a powerful feature that recognizes patterns in your data. If you have a column of numbers and text, type one example of your desired output in an adjacent cell. Then, press Ctrl+E, and Excel will automatically fill the rest of the column, completing the pattern based on your example. It's incredibly efficient. For more advanced control, use the series dialog box. Select your starting cell, then navigate to the Home tab, click Fill, and choose Series. Here, you can specify a step value, like 1 or 5, and a stop value. You can also choose between linear or growth series, filling either rows or columns with your custom sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.